Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 3. And in this lesson, we're talking about being able to use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within two-digit numbers that's up to 100. So first, I want to look at this place value chart. Because we normally look at this place value chart, and we normally only see this part. Well, added another component, or another piece of this place value chart, which is the hundreds place, which is where we're going to put our hundreds at. So first I want to look at what we have over here. I want to count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now in this case we didn't have any hundreds, but eventually we will get there. So we know that looking at this, there's 7 tens and 8 ones. And we know that equals 78. Now another number sense that we also could have put was 78 equals 70, because we know that 7 tens is 70 plus 8. It's also another way we can look at it as well. Alright guys, that's it for this video.